In this video, I will explaining you how to clean RAM cache on your Windows-based laptop or desktop PC. Right click on taskbar and click on Task Manager. Simply type here and click on Task Manager. First open your browser and search rammap download. Once the download completed, simply click on show folder. Now right click on zip file. Right click on rammap and run as administrator. Simply click on empty tab. Once click, you can see your RAM cache cleared from your laptop. You can see RAM cache reduced. Thank you for watching for this video.